Okay, why do people keep parking like this?
Counted something I disagree with. And being you disagree with something, fuck off.
Vegetables, grease, paper towel, steel, or PVC.
Quickly learned that along the way, things that we thought would be really difficult sometimes would be a walk in the park. Like, for instance, the whole area with the pelicans crashing and all that.
Comprehensively terrible that I don't feel compelled to concern myself with creating a veneer of fairness or balance.
Yeah, block the road and blind people, why don't you?
The very next day, Clyde robbed another store.
I'm sure it's
I
self-explanatory.
mean, if he wanted to learn some lessons, he would have stayed in school.
World War II again is the sales pitch. Like, that's the tagline for this game. As for stuff that's new, Sledgehammer has shown off what it looks like.
Kotick threatened to have his personal assistant killed. Setting aside people who are shit-faced drunk, it turns out there are lots of cases of mysterious heart attacks,
Probably when the idiot outlives his usefulness.
and mystery car crashes on remote country lanes.
Nice stuff.
Following in Bobby Kotick.
Hello?
Welcome to Spectrum, the country's largest cable TV.
Not interested.
Look, it rhymes. We didn't need 2000s technology to rhyme. Oh well, I guess, it's our hero, I guess. Looking...
Always has been a beautiful, healthy ecosystem where everyone was pleasant and nobody's feelings ever got hurt.
Yeah, I can barely squeeze through that. This is what happens when there's a crash on the main road.
Spacebar and backpedal keybind now, please. Every time I go into photo mode and try and take a picture, I pull out.
Why are you not using the fucking turning lane,
Sounded
dude?
much less weird in my head. In all fairness,
Fillered to the brim and fan service. It goes without saying that there isn't much of importance that happens in Halo 5. The game's got more
Nice going,
fun in it.
dumbass.
CC. If we move on over to Halo Combat Evolved and Halo 3, believe it or not, in 2020, these games got a pretty cool new addition. The folks at Splash.
You had like a... Oh no.
Manual recording will now start.
Uh-oh.
Manual recording will now start.
the last time the Japanese were there. All this being said, Ghost of Tsushima ended up being the hero of 2020 that Cyberpunk